How to log into Snapchat without verification code. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you how you can log into Snapchat without a verification code. Now, the first thing is device. If you are trying to log in from a different device and you are getting the verification code required to log in, then it's probably because Snapchat doesn't recognize you as the user. So the easiest way is try logging in through the familiar device so that Snapchat can verify you as the user. If you try to log in through the device that your account is familiar with, it will not ask you for verification code as it will recognize you as the potential user. So the second thing is, as the Snapchat asks you for verification code and you are not getting the verification code due to certain reasons, it might be that you don't have the number or this anymore. So what you can do is email Snapchat directly. It's the only way. So all you need to do is go ahead to your email and create a new email, and you can form a subject account recovery or account recovery code or something like that, and then you can write up a message and you can set your importance as like, and then send it to support@snapchat.com. Now once you do this, Snapchat should be able to get back to you within 24 to 48 hours time, and you should be able to relog into your ID if they verify you that you are the user. The third thing is, make sure that the messaging option is turned on your phone. What I meant by that is, make sure that the verification code that you received on your device is not being automatically sent to spam or blocked. Now if you go to text here and go to three-line icon on the top left of screen, here you can see spams and blocked. Here I have one message spammed and blocked, so make sure it is not on your spammed and blocked. So hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.